Alrighty guys, this is my first part of the video for today. I haven't started making a video because I've been doing this. Pog. But yeah, today I think we're going to be going to Bailes. But yeah, we're going to be going to Bailes to go to the fireworks show. I'll film it. And then, I don't know. But yeah, we'll be going there, so. Alrighty guys, we're finally leaving. It is now 7:14. The last clip I made was around like 2 or 3. So yeah, we're going to a fireworks show in Bailes. So yeah, this should be fun. Alright guys, we made it. As you can see, yep, right here is a building. But yeah, right here. And then I'll just film as much of the fireworks as I possibly can. Alright guys, we made it to a parking spot. We made it. There's a gym. They're playing volleyball in there. I don't know if Bobby's still here, but probably not because it's... But yeah, we got some stuff around here, so yeah, cool. Alright guys, all the lights in the vicinity has gone off except that one. I don't know why his lights are still on. Alright, I'm just gonna start recording. And then edit out all the spots that are kind of empty, so should be like, I don't know, 30 minutes. No, I'm just kidding, I don't know. Actually, no, you know what? Forget this. I'm just gonna not be lazy and just hold it. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna move the mic the other way around. Oh! Whoa! Oh! That's what she said.